you lovely subscribers? I am back on YouTube. Those who don't know me and new to my channel, let me tell you that my name is Shantini Ash and I am a fitness enthusiast and I am a YouTuber and an Instagrammer. The Instagram handle name is Lady of Dreamland, which is quite different from my normal name. So yeah, the link to my Instagram is given in the description part. You can check my fitness vlogs there. I am much more active on Instagram compared to YouTube, but right now as I am filming so many videos, like if you check my last 6-7 videos, I have filmed so many videos on wellness and fitness as well. So as it's a holiday, it's a Sunday, so I thought of telling you guys something very important for your well-being. As you all know that we always talk about diet, we always talk about good exercise, weightlifting, weight trainings, fat loss, etc for good health, but we skip the most important part, which is proper rest. Now proper rest doesn't always need to be like, you know, you are taking rest, you are just lying down all the day. Yes, obviously taking 1 to 2 days rest is priority for your good health, but let me tell you that there is a term in fitness, or there is a term for well-being which is called active rest day. Now what is an active rest day? Like, let me tell you that the active rest day is kind of mobility moves which you actually do, like so that you don't feel like you are like sitting idle all the day, and also you are doing kind of workouts through those active rest movements. So today I'm going to show you all those active rest moves on my terrace. Actually, I'm going to go to my terrace because as it's already hot and humid in West Bengal, it's getting very difficult for me to shoot a fitness video inside my home. So I want to take some fresh air. I want to go on the top of my roof and do those active rest movements for you so that you can repeat in your home. And also I want to talk about a product which is really very helpful for building immunity, which is obviously from one of my best brands, Wow, which is a truly made India brand. So let me share that product review first with you. And if you are new to my channel, before starting the product review and the workout part, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So the product I'm going to tell you about today is this Wow Skin Science Super Green. Now, as you all know that taking green vegetables is a must for a healthy body. Like in my house, if you ask me about that, have you recently changed your lifestyle or what? But no, actually I am taking green veggies since ages because my father is very particular about taking green vegetables, and we actually avoid animal proteins during night time so that the digestive system can be good. It's easier to digest and plant proteins compared to animal proteins. So we take those foods, those plants which are full of actually full of protein and also easy to digest. And also we used to take lots of vegetables like karela, beans, leafy vegetables, which is actually in Bengali called shag. So we used to take a lot of it, but sometimes we miss on the nutrition part. So for that, this Wow Super Green tablet helps a lot. I'll tell you the benefits of it. This Super Green tablet is actually a natural blend of spirulina, moringa, wheatgrass, beetroot, ACV and chlorophyll. Also, it's having pumpkin seeds inside it. As we all know that moringa, spirulina and wheatgrass are nutrients-rich greens which we should take for boosting our immunity. Not only that, but also it helps in keeping our liver and heart functionality healthy. It's having chlorophyll inside it, which is like the main part of any natural green leaf, which actually purifies our blood. And also, if you are having the minimum knowledge about your well-being, you must know that ACV is actually helpful for maintaining the pH balance of our body, and it also improves the gut health and gastric problems. Actually, I have taken ACV during the year 2018 and 2019 when I actually developed some kind of gastric problem, and it helped me a lot. So we are getting so so many things inside a single tablet. Isn't it amazing? The extra thing we are getting in it is the beetroot, which is actually full of vitamin C, and it helps to fight the free radicals produced inside our body. The pumpkin seeds inside it is actually full of minerals, proteins and vitamins. So yes, this is a holy grail product if you really want to boost your immunity and you are looking for a complete natural solution. So yeah, obviously you can check that out. The fine link of this WOW product is given in the description part of this video. Go and check out. The price of this product is $6.99, and if you really want to check the originality of the product, you can definitely scan the QR code over here and check out whether it's original or not. And also right now WOW products are available offline, so you can definitely go to your nearby WOW shop and buy after checking out the product actually manually, not online. So yeah, there are options available. Go and check out. So yes, part 1 of the video is done. Now let's go to my terrace and check out what active flow moves actually I do on my rest day. So guys, I'm done with today's rest day flows and recovery process. From tomorrow, I'm all set to start my regular workout regime and regular walks. So if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section that whether you find it beneficial, the active rest day part and also the wow super green. Did you like the product or not? So let me know all the things in the comment section. Share the video with your friends and family. Until then, I will be back with my another video, and also I have some plans for my YouTube which will be starting from the month of April or maybe in the month of May. I'll give those videos and I'll upload those videos in my channel. So stay tuned, take care of yourself, stay safe and stay fit.